Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and a crochet hook in size 5 millimeters. To start by making a slip knot, and then I will chain 10. So now that I've chained 10, on the last chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 6. Now we need to make 4 clusters here. Not 4 clusters, but I don't know what the stitch is called, but you have to wrap the yarn around the hook 4 times. So then you make 4 clusters with this stitch. And honestly, I don't know. I know there's a double crochet, triple crochet, triple crochet, but I don't know what this one is called. But I'm sure there is a name for it. It's just that I don't use this stitch often, so I don't remember it. Now I'll chain 5. We'll repeat the same thing. We'll wrap the yarn around a hook 4 times, and then we'll make 4. Then we'll make a cluster of 4 of these stitches. I should have checked on Google, see what it's called, but I know I'll forget it again since I don't use it as often. Again, I'll chain 5. And then we'll repeat the same thing. And we'll repeat the same thing until we have 10 of these clusters sets. And so far we have 2. And now to finish row 1, I'll chain 5. Then through this next cluster, I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. Now for row 2, I'll use yarn in different color. Then right here through this first cluster chain, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through the slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 4. Now through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 5 triple crochet cluster. Now I'll chain 4. Then through this next cluster chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 4. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 5 triple crochet cluster. Chain 4. Through this next cluster chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 4. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 5 triple crochet cluster. chain 4. Through this next cluster chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 4. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 5 treble crochet cluster. Chain 4. Through this next cluster chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 4. Through this next 5 chain loop I'll make 5 triple crochet cluster. Chain 4. Through this next cluster chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 4. Now to finish this row, right here through this first single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch, chain 1, then cut this yarn.